Telegram account recovery, or how to recover your Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover your Telegram account. Now, if you just uninstalled your Telegram application by mistake or you logged out of your account, then it's quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to install the Telegram application, open up the login page, and there you want to enter in your phone number and your country code, and once you do so, it'll send a login code to your phone number and you can easily use that login code to log in. But if you deleted your account, now unfortunately if you deleted your account, there is no any option that you can recover your account details back. You can create a new account or you can sign into new account using that particular number, but you won't be able to recover all the chats and groups that you had previously on your account if you deleted it. Now, the other thing is, if you deleted your account and now you want to recover, what you can do is there is an option that says Telegram support. You'll have to contact the support. Head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for Telegram support. You'll get the very first link that you can see there on the screen. You want to simply tap on it and it'll ask you to please describe your problem. You know, simply describe your problem that you're unable to log into your account and you want to recover your account, and then type in your particular email and your particular phone number, and then simply submit it, and Telegram will get back to you within 48 to 72 hours on your Gmail. So you'll be able to recover your account if they recognize you and verify your account. So this way you can recover your Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.